Hello, everybody. Just wanted to hop in here. I told you I'd come in and discuss all this with you guys and the incoming weather. So here we go. Just hop right into it. No camera tonight. I'm not feeling the greatest, so we'll just go verbal with it. Um, anyway, first thing we're going to do is the temperatures, obviously, because everybody's freaking out about the temperature stuff. So let's just hop right into it and see what the temperatures offer us. This is at 6 a.m. Wednesday morning. This morning, it's saying it's going to be about 38 degrees. So there you go on that. The high for today. This is all a GFS model, by the way. So I'll trust these numbers up for about the first three or about 2 to 3 days. So I'll trust it. And let's see, today we'll stop at about 3 o'clock ish. I went too far. Right about there. You gonna be that way about it. All right. High today will be around mid to upper 50s. Mid to mid. Yeah, we'll just say mid 50s today. That's what the high is going to be today. So let's take it on out and see what the overnight low is going to be for Thursday. Thursday morning. Excuse me. We'll say they're right about there. This is the low Thursday morning around this neck of the woods. Oh, yay. Love it when it hit the wrong button on accident. This will be the Thursday afternoon high that we're going for. There we go. Thursday afternoon high is going to be nice. There's your Thursday afternoon high. You can see up here the date and time of the model. And like I said, this is a GFS model. This is a conglomerate of all the models put together. So this is what the best everything can come up with. This will be Friday morning low. Friday morning low is going to be, well, pretty warm. This is at 6 in the morning, we'll say. There's, we'll say, Friday afternoon high. 17th is Friday, if I remember correctly. Yes. This is your afternoon highs. So it's looking to me like this is going to be best times to a Friday afternoon, boy. That give you the winter flu. Go out and enjoy, right? Go ahead and put it in motion. That's Friday going into Saturday. Saturday morning, right here about now. Nope, kick it back up. There we go. Saturday. This is Saturday morning. This is the Saturday morning lows. Notice we haven't got below freezing yet. Nothing's got below freezing yet. So that's Saturday morning. Warming up. There's Saturday afternoon. Kind of stays the same throughout the day. Kind of drops a little bit Saturday afternoon. In the afternoon, it just keeps dropping. So Saturday afternoons when they're saying this front's coming through, apparently. Now there's Sunday morning. Below freezing Sunday morning. I think it's going to be below freezing for a little while. Now, mind you, I have not paid any attention to anybody else's forecasts. I'm just going off the data that I have in front of me right now. So there's Sunday morning. Clear that out. Put it in motion. Let's see how it goes from there. Sunday morning. It's Sunday afternoon. Sunday afternoon. It warms up about 10 degrees. It's above freezing, which is good. And going into Monday. Alright, this is Monday morning. Let's see what Monday morning is going to look like. There's Monday morning. Is going to be below freezing. Be below freezing everywhere. That's Monday morning. Let's see what Monday afternoon brings us. A little warm up. Yeah, that's the best we're gonna get. So it warms up about 10 degrees again. We're gaining about 10 degrees on everything. If you notice that. But we're above freezing. Everything's above freezing, which is good. That was Monday afternoon. Okay, here we go into Tuesday. There's Monday night. There's Tuesday morning. And stop right there. That's Tuesday morning right there. Below freezing. So below freezing, Tuesday morning. And looking like it's going to stay that way all day. So Tuesday is just going to be a miserable, cold day. It actually cools off Tuesday. Stays below freezing all day Tuesday. So that's when all your pipes and stuff are going to start freezing. Any runoff on the roads, anything, frost and stuff like that on the bridges, it's going to be frozen. So that's 3:30 on, what'd I say, Tuesday? 21st? Yeah, Tuesday. That's Tuesday afternoon right there. Tuesday afternoon. That's Tuesday afternoon highs. Go ahead and put it back in motion. Now, before we get too far into this, y'all need to understand this data. I mean, we're talking 6 days out. We're talking almost a week out. This is gonna change. It's gonna change. So just don't take from here on out with a grain of salt. You know, trust it as far as you can throw it. Let's put it that way. This will be the highs on what? A week from today. This is 7 days out. This is the morning temperatures. 7 days out. So take it with a grain of salt. Do not buy into it. I mean, it's not. I just, I just can't. I can't let it scare y'all. Okay. So there. That's like I said. This is a week away. 7 days. Things will change. That's the morning low. Go ahead and put it in gear here. I really shouldn't even be taking it out that far. I really should not. Matter of fact, I'll probably stop it there and go get the GFS precip and let us see what it says. Right up here's my model, the date, time, everything. This is the date and time that I did this, and that's why I say all these little videos I'm doing for you guys. I say it's how do I say this? I don't. I just don't trust it out that far. There it is. Hold on, let me work it here. What was that date? 22nd. We're going to load up the model clear out to midnight of the 22nd. This is the what the projected precipitation is. We'll zoom it out. Hope everybody had good holidays. Now we got 5 months of straight work unless you're a federal worker. You're a federal worker, you got a day off every month, I think, for some special holiday. Yeah, it takes a little bit to load up. It's a 198 hour model is what we're looking at there. So it takes a bit to load up that many frames, especially when you got slow internet. There we go. Stop it and it downloads faster. So it's looking like this rest of this week is going to be nice. Saturday is going to be real nice. So take advantage of this week because next week is when everything's going to start taking a nosedive. We're up to 105 hours out of 198 loading. And like I said, this is the model. The time of the model, the date of the model, the day of the model. And this up here is the time at which I'm doing this video right now, which is 1 o'clock in the morning. I appreciate y'all's support, and JR Disposal is one of my major supporters. They've been paying for this program for a while now, and well, I tell you what, it makes a big difference in helping do a forecast for around here. Almost there. Probably zoom out till to start it. And then if anything, see what it looks like on the Grandioso scale. Then zoom in on us here at Palomino County. I know this ain't gonna be right. You can tell that it ain't right because if you look at the dates, it bounces around until it's fully loaded. Once it's fully loaded, it quits bouncing around. And we're only at 153 of 198. Once again, thank you all for voting us best of Palomino County. Try to do our darndest to keep things accurate and true. I am no professional, that's for sure. But I appreciate the support. And we're at 183 of 198. Come on. You can do it. This is a week's worth of models, I think. Yeah. A week and a day. Sorry. No, it's a week. It's 1 week. That's right. Female, beginning mileage. This goes out to the midnight of the 22nd. Almost there, folks. Hang in there. We're getting there. 195 out of 198. All right. I think that's it. Put it in motion. Let's see what we see. Let's see what we see. You guys are seeing it for the first time, just like me. Like I said, I will stop it if I see anything that pops my attention, and I will zoom in on it and see what we can figure out. There's tomorrow. Up here you can see it, date and time. So that's Thursday. Friday. There might be some scattered rain or something, maybe. Let's see, that's 17th at 10. Yeah, it's not going to be snow or nothing, so it'd be like sprinkles. Yep. Sprinkles. Well, that's the only thing I'm seeing. There's the 18th. Alright, anything after this, and I'm not going to put that much stock into. This is that grain of salt thing I was telling you about. That's because it's just too far out. Anything over 3 to 4 days, I just don't trust. I mean, 3 to 4 days is the max on my trust scale for this stuff. Let me see, it's still up here running. Right there. Oh, looks like some ice and stuff down here. The Austin area. And there's some possible snow on the 21st, which is Tuesday of next week at 5 o'clock in the morning. Like I said, take it with a grain of salt because this can change and this will change. So it's showing snow for 2 hours there, changing over to heavy snow right there. This is Tuesday next week, so darn near a week away. and it lasts for a good part of the day there. And it's out of here. Like I said, take it with a grain of salt. I don't. I'm not trusting it yet. It hasn't come close enough yet to trust the data. You gotta work the data. There you go. So that's about all of it right there. So, um, that being said, thank you, JR Disposal, and thank you, Facebook members, for being supportive of me and our group. And I'll keep doing some more updates as the time comes closer. But as for right now, yeah, it's gonna get cold and possibly stretching it, possibly some snow. But I'm not gonna say definitely because that's just way too far out. So, with that being said, I appreciate y'all and take care of your neighbor. Later.